Good morning, students. In last video, we see the properties of angles made by a transversal. Angles made by a transversal, that is, first one angle is corresponding angle, then second one interior angle, third one exterior angle. Exterior angle have two types, interior exterior angle and exterior alternate angle. Okay. Then properties of angle made by a transversal, that is, first property, the corresponding angles are equal or congruent. Okay. Then interior angle, what is the property of interior angle? Sum of interior angle, it is 180. Then next alternate angle also congruent. Okay. By using this property, today we solve the practice set 2.2. In the practice set 2.2, question number 1, choose the correct alternative in the adjoining figure. See, this is a figure. In that figure, this is line M, line N and line L. Okay. Line M and N, it is parallel lines. Okay. And line P. Line P, it is a transversal. Then find X. Okay. You have to find the value of X. How to find value of X? See, here you give this angle, it is 3x and this is X. Okay. Both the angles are interior angles. Then by using the property of interior angles, the interior angle, sum of interior angle, it is 180. Then 3x plus x, it is equal to 180. Okay. This is the equation. And how to solve this equation? See, here only x, then coefficient will be 1. Okay. 3x plus x means 3 plus 1, it is 4, and variable will be x, it is equal to 180. Okay. Then afterwards 4 is transferred to this side, right side of equal to sign. Okay. Then here it is 4 and x, it is multiplication sign. Okay. Then here it will be division. ज्यावेळेस बघा इकडे मल्टिप्लिकेशन असतो त्यावेळेस तो राईट साईडला इक्वल टू साईडच्या राईट साईडला ट्रान्सफर करताना त्याचं काय होतं, डिव्हिजन. समजा इकडे डिव्हिजन असेल तर तिकडे मल्टिप्लिकेशन. आलं लक्षात? हे अशा पद्धतीने करायचं आहे. बघा मी x हा तिकडे ट्रान्सफर करते, 4 हा तिकडे ट्रान्सफर करते, 180 डिवायडेड बाय 4. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट 4 1 जार 4, 4 4 जार 16, then remaining 2, 4 5 are 20. Okay. Then value of x will be 45 degree. Okay. And option number C is corrected. Now second question, in the adjoining figure, if line A, see line A and line B, it is parallel line, and line L, it is a transversal, then find x. Okay. Find x. Here this angle, measurement of this angle and this angle you have to given. This angle, it is 4x and this will be 2x. How to find the value of x? Okay. How to find? See both the angles. Okay. Both the angles are not alternate, not interior, not corresponding. Then okay. See here. This angle also 2x. Why? Because opposite angles. This angle and this angle, it is opposite angle. Okay. By using opposite angle, this angle, it is 2x. And then both the angles, okay, this is interior angle. And addition, sum of interior angles are 180 degree. Then 4x plus 2x, it is equal to 180 degree. Then next we have to add coefficient. 6x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 divided by 6. x is equal to 30 degree. Okay, x is equal to 30 degree. Option number C. Question number 2. In the adjoining figure, line P parallel to line Q. See, P, this is line P and this is line Q. Both are parallel lines. Line T and S are transversals. Okay, here two transversal. Find the measurement of angle X and angle Y using the measure of angles given in the figures. Okay, you have to find the angles X and Y. Okay, and you give the this angle, that is 40 degree, and here it is 70 degree. First we find the angle X. Okay, then I am considering line P and line Q, it is parallel line, and T is a transversal. Okay, then in the diagram see this line, okay, and this is this angle and this angle, it is linear pair angles. Okay, then measurement of this angle, it is 140. Okay, because sum of linear pair angle, it is 180. Then this angle will be 40. Then it is this angle, it is 140. Okay, then see 140 degree and this angle, it is exterior alternate angle. Okay, this angle and this angle, it is exterior alternate angle, and exterior alternate angle, it is congruent. Then measurement of angle X, it is 140 degree. Okay, this is one way. Another way you have to find or solve. बघा, हे एका पद्धतीनं येऊ शकतं, अशा पद्धतीनं. समजा तुम्हाला दुसरी एखादी मेथड यूज करायची असेल तर तुम्ही तशीही करू शकता. ओके, आता दुसरी मेथड म्हणजे काय बघा, की तुम्ही काय करू शकता की हे दोन अँगल काय आहेत, लिनियर पेअर अँगल आहेत. हां, मग लिनियर पेअर अँगल, मग ह्या अँगलची पण मेजरमेंट तुमची काय येणार आहे, 140 डिग्री येते. ओके, अँड दिस अँगल अँड दिस अँगल आर अपोजिट अँगल्स. ओके, हां, मग इथे काय येणार आहे, x डिग्री येणार आहे. मग हा आणि हा अँगल काय झाला तुमचा, इंटिरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल. हाही एक वे असू शकतो. हां, कोणत्याही वेनी तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, फक्त एक्सची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. आता मी फर्स्ट जो सांगितला तो मी त्याच्यामध्ये एक्सटिरियर अल्टरनेटिव्ह अँगल वापरले, सेकंड वेमध्ये इंटिरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल वापरले. बघा, दोन्ही वेनी गेले तरी माझे मेजरमेंट काय, ती एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 140 येते. देन फाइंड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ वाय. Okay, how to find value of y? See here, first we consider line P and line Q are parallel lines, and line S, it is a transversal. Okay, now line S, it is a transversal. In that this angle is 70 degree, then this angle also 70 degree. Okay, and see y angle and this angle, it is a interior angle. Then sum of interior angle, it is 180 degree. Then y plus 70 degree, it is equal to 180 degree. Then how to find value of y? 70 transfer to that side, y is equal to 180 minus 70, that is y is equal to 110. Okay, then value of x, it is a 140 degree, and angle y, it is a 110 degree. Okay,